As someone who travels a lot, I'm always looking for the perfect travel bag, like a duffel bag, a weekend bag, and this one has something fancy to it that I'm going to show you in just a minute. So this has a really large capacity. It has 45 liters. You, of course, have all of the typical bells and whistles. You've got a really great handle here. On the back, you've got the pocket right here. And then the other thing that I love is that you have this little like handle part. So if you do have like a wheelie suitcase or a big suitcase, you could just put this on the top in the handle and then you can be hands-free. There is obviously a little strap. I'm assuming that's going to be inside. We're going to grab that in a second, but check this out. So we've got this area here. Oh, here's the strap. Look at that. Ooh, and it's nice and padded too. Nice big clips, which is always fantastic. Of course, it is adjustable. So this little secret pocket here, this one is where your shoes are going to go, which I think is so cool. So you can keep those shoes separate so they're not touching any of your clothes. And in the front, hopefully you can see that, these are two little air vents. So again, if you've got like some stinky shoes, they're not going to stink everything up, which is super cool. And then you can hold this in a couple different ways. Again, this strap, the shoulder strap, and then you've also got a handle right here, which is cool. So let's open up. I'm going to show you. Oh, you've even got this like pocket here. I didn't even notice that one. Hold on. Let's check out this pocket. Okay. We've got this pocket here. Wow, look how big that is. Again, as I said, lots of capacity. So something here in the front, super easy, and of course another front zipper there. But we haven't even gotten to the best part yet. There's just so many zippers, I don't even know where to start. All right, we got to show you the absolute best part. The zipper's all the way down. So the zipper was just like right here in the front, and I was looking everywhere but the front. Okay, so we've got our zippers. So check this out. So it like unzips all the way around because this turns into, check this out, one of those garment bags. So you could use it completely folded up and not put your clothes underneath here and just have like a regular bag. Or you can have your like garments hang here. You even got this part here. So you can like leave them on the hanger and then put this over top of the hanger so the hanger's not poking out. So you could have your suit, you could have your dresses, whatever you want to put. I mean, you can literally put just regular t-shirts and pants and stuff on down in here as well. You've got this nice long zipper here. This could be for ties if you want to put those up here. On the side, you've even got these like massive, so this is the one for the shoe, so you've got the side pockets. This one here, you've got the nice little elastic here, so you can tuck things inside there. And then as you saw, like it all just like folds together. You just got to find the zipper, so many zippers, and then we just zip it back up, which I think is so cool because it's like you don't even know that that is hidden back there. Again, it's going to take me a second or two to like figure this out because this is definitely all new for me. But as I said, if you don't even want to use the garment part, you can just use it as a regular duffel bag because like check this out, it just comes right back. And if you have your clothes in there, you'll still have tons of space. You can like put your laptop in here. You can kind of put, you know, your keys, your purse, or again, just use it as a regular duffel bag. I can't get over how large this is, and it's going to just save you so much space with having everything down on the bottom. I think this is so cool.